Sorry it's been a while. I'm gonna do an unboxing for Donatello from Ninja Turtles. Sorry if the words are backwards, but Donatello says right there, and then Raphael right there. So I'm gonna do Raphael first. Get him open, and this is like the little checklist. It's for the T machines. I don't really care about that. Let's see. Is this the T machines? No, this isn't T machines. I thought this was the T machines at first. I was like, oh shoot. Okay, I just want to see what's in here at first. Oh, it's the same checklist. I thought it would have like new people and all that. Okay, so nothing new in there. Nothing new in the T machines and all that. Oh, how do you get this out? Okay, this is, okay, here we go. These are a few weapons you can pop out. I don't really care about those. Okay, now for the main event, Raphael. Here he is, right here. I'm gonna get him out. And you have his little size right here. Right here, I'm gonna get those out. They're pretty easy. You just slip them out. Now let's move all this stuff out of the way. There, and you got his little shell right here, and like you got these little pockets right here, and you get your size. I think that's what they're called. Looks like I'm saying size. Get those in there, and he's like, get muscles! And you can move his hands like this, like that. And I have way more Ninja Turtle toys. If you want to see those, I suggest you go to Creeper Gaming HD, because that has my Ninja Turtle toy review. That's another person's channel, but that's I'm on his channel sometimes. Then got his little headband in the air, like he just does not care. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Raphael. Not much more. You could put the weapons and his hands and like battle, but yeah, it's Raphael. Now I'm going to do Donatello. Let's unbox him. And we got the T Machines checklist and this checklist for Ninja Turtle action figures. Don't care about those. Throw them over there. And then you have these. Those up there. And then for the main event, you got Donatello. That's up over there. And then you got his headband flowing too. You got his little bow staff. There's a big pocket right here. You put that in there. And boom! He's like, yeah! Woo! Be like running, be like, I'm a bow staff. Donnie. Be like this, be like, fight. Yeah. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, hit the like button if you want to see more unboxings, because I will do more unboxings. And I have tons of cool content coming up, so subscribe if you want to see that, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.